Welcome to the Nasdaq Sniper Academy, folks. In this video, I'm going to show you pre-market analysis, the importance of understanding the 1 hour chart, finding the fair value gaps, marking them out, and then knowing your levels. In a trend, the trend will go continuation, consolidation, then manipulation. It'll move up first if it wants to move down. You need to understand this because a lot of you are getting shaken out. It's going to move up first. Grab some customers from the fair value gap. Take them down to the lower fair value gap to fill the 1 hour chart. I'm going to show you the live trade I did. You're going to see the market analysis, and then this will help you to understand pre-market so you're not confused on what the market did. I had no confusion today on where the market was going to go and what it was going to do. And I'm here to show you so you can see for yourself. The Nasdaq Sniper here. Take a look.
Hi, folks. Welcome to the Nasdaq Sniper Academy. Thursday, March 19th, pre-market. What we do is we come to the hour chart, right? We draw little trend lines. We see we're obviously in a downtrend. Market's heading down. And so we want to see, okay, where is it going to get some support? So we want to take a look at this big fair value gap on the hour chart. We're going to think price could come down to 346, 346. And can get a bounce. So that's what we're looking at, folks. What we're anticipating at market open. This is pre-market right now. It's another 21 minutes to market open. 494, folks. It'll probably come back up into this gap. 494 at open and then crush down. So that's what we're looking at. We're looking at a pullback to 494 level, 494 on the Nasdaq, which is at the bottom of this last swing, coming to this gap, and then proceed down to the 346 level. 494. Yeah, we have a
order working.
We have a fair value gap right here on the 1 minute. So, right. So we're thinking price comes, shoots up, goes into this fair value gap, and then continues down. Let's see if that happens. I'm going to buy this right now.
Order filled.
Because what I have here is what I call a double-double. And I could be wrong, right? But a lot of times when you get a solid move at the same spot, right? You got red and you got green at the same spot, same level. And since we got this little John Wick, that could be the bottom. If it goes under that, I'll lose the $20 and be happy, or $30. All right, folks, get back to you in about 15, 20 minutes. We'll see where we're at and see if this trade played out or not. See if my thesis is right, and then see how much money we made for the day. All right, folks, so here's the recap. Like I said, pre-market, here's what would happen. Now, I got in for one, as you saw. I just took a quick $33 loss. But once it did this sweep, right, this is a nice little John Wick bar. It's a liquidity sweep right here. I got back in for 2 contracts. And I made $336 because I had already preset where it was going to go. Again, the fair value gaps tell the story, folks. If it wants to go down, to the 24,346 level like we mapped out pre-market. That's the gap fill. That's the 1 hour gap fill. It's going to go up first, then go down. It has to come up and pick up some customers, some travelers who want to travel down to Tampa, but it has to jump up to Minnesota first, grab some customers inside this fair value gap right here at the 24,494. So I said, okay, well, since it's going to go up there anyways, let me go ahead and buy this move pre-market. This is today, March 19th, right? 8:15 a.m. Central Time. Once it came into this gap, bam, we took profit. $336, just 2 micros. Once we got this big push down, another, I forgot what they call this, upside down hammer, who cares? Guess what? Bam, I went in for a short. Just 1 micro because it's pre-market, and you know what? You never know. I'm just playing it safe. But I sold it. Was my stop right here. And where was my target? Exactly where I had planned out and mapped out 24,346. 145 points. Look at this. $290. Again, not a lot of money, but just think about when I start copy trading this. If you can get 290, if you can get 145 point move on just 1 micro, well, then just copy trade it over 10 accounts. Then that'll be 2,900. You understand what I'm saying? So this is the importance of doing your pre-market analysis with the fair value gaps. The 1 hour fair value gap shows you everything, folks. And so here you see, took it into this fair value gap, made 336, shorted down to fill this one. Now, I was supposed to walk away. I was up $600. I was supposed to walk away, but I did some monkey brain trading, switched thinking this, and I was upset at myself. Lost $114 here, lost. So anyways, my $600 ended up turning into $387. I said, I'm done. So I gave back $200 and I walked away for the day because I was very upset at myself after that. Don't do monkey brain trading, man. If you got your levels, hit your levels, do what you do, and then step away and walk away. Take your money and then, come back later at another level. I knew this was support, so why I switched my mind, I don't know. Because I saw this break this low and I thought we could go down lower. Anyways, that's not the point. The point is, if you see yourself doing some monkey brain, just walk away. Have a boundary. But the point of this video today, again, I still made money, $380. Hey, that's okay. I'm on Lucid. I need 5 days, $100, and that's all I need to do. But I want you to see the sniper levels. Why we took this up to this level. Why I knew that it would reject. I knew where it was going. It's all in pre-market. And when you got your analysis, you can know your levels. You can sniper them. And it's minimal. I mean, look at my stop was right here. You're talking about $40 loss, $40 risk to make $291 off of 1 micro. I wish I'd have done 2. I should have done 2 micros. Next time I will. Anyways, there you have it, folks. Hope this helps.
Well, congratulations, folks. If you made it this far to the full end of this video, you are on your path to being a future multimillionaire. I promise you, because if you can have entry levels like that, if you can understand pre-market before the market opens, where it's going to go, where it's going to distribute, how it's going to manipulate, and then where it's going to distribute the liquidity. If you have this kind of knowledge, you are a future multimillionaire if you're a day trader. I just want to congratulate you that you made it all the way to the end. I hope this helps. I just want to give some value. I don't have nothing to sell you. I just want to help you on your journey to being a profitable day trader. God bless and happy trading.